I'm not the one at all. What if I'm not? Mortuary and I'm functional. How a hospital in an LGA, the general hospital of an LGA, only the mortuary will be functioning. What is the message you are trying to send? We shouldn't have treatments. We should only be dying so that they will be taking us to mortuary. You want all the entire people of Asatoro to be, you know, all be a wafi farmer. I'm not a Kedan, all be a wafi farmer. Moko, Labo to Moko me with the why being George Kelly, the principal, George Kelly, Paka Butebo, you go wanna pray. Contact me in call prayer and call prayer. And he should come out and explain to us why is the general hospital like this, or if it was an audio announcement that he have been given the contract. Cry or cry and Butebo you wanna pray. That one, just imagine. The only thing functioning here is the mortuary. He don't want to take care of us when we are alive. It's only when we are dead there is a place for us to be kept. Only the mortuary. What can I do? What can we functioning anger? You are going to functioning. Only the mortuary is working. Only the mortuary is working. Nothing else, only the mortuary. Only the mortuary, And it functioning. I'm not about to say I'm not going to say Buguma General Hospital. I don't know what to say. What about the mock me with the mayor? What be a work to one General Hospital? One understand here and go to me by no small. So I know I'm going to make what boy about I'm going to make it pre now. Although infrastructure in building name, I remember some part and equipped here. They have not equipped it, and the building is just it's nothing to write home about. And I think this Buguma General Hospital have been contracted out. How will you expect our mothers? How will you expect our mothers for treatment when they can barely feed of $2 for a day, and the transport fare for them to Port Harcourt is equivalent to $2 a day? The more can be when they get for Port Harcourt treatment. Okay, why also in a local government go to Telema in a healthcare centers now in hospital Telema. No go me Asaretono, the headquarters of Calabar, Buguma General Hospital. Don't create the gas, but just look at how Buguma General Hospital is. No patients here, no doctors, no nurse. And I think this place has been contracted out. And I think the government of the state and the people in charge should come to the aid of the Asaitori people and know what to do. One. Medical lab, food. Medical doctor's office. Casire. You get to Mount and get a mortuary. That means their thought and their hope for us is for us to be dying so that we take it to the mortuaries. Because it will get mortuary and get it they only left the mortuary for us. Why is it that it will be only mortuary? We don't need only mortuary. We need both healthcare facilities so that if the treatment, if it is your time to die, a national death, you die, they take you to mortuary. Not because of lack of treatment or lack of hospital or the distance going to Port Harcourt, then on the way you drop dead. Just imagine people coming from Angulama, people coming from Central Group. Here is the nearest place for them to get their treatment, and there's nothing to write home about of this place. Just imagine. Or why will this our generation politicians be this wicked? Not even thinking of their own place. Not even thinking of their own place. Nah. Everywhere. You see? And I know there is an allocation in the River State budget containing Calabare's hospitals, the 3 AGs, their general hospitals. And I know there is a budget for this. Where is the money? Who is in charge of this project? We heard that it was given to the principal, being Josh Kelly. Josh Kelly passes the Pabotable, the Cape contract, man. Then if the money is not complete because you started the work and now also if you were not paid or the contract was just an audio contract, you should come on air, Josh Kelly, and challenge this video. Let us know where is the fund that was being made for this renovation of this place. What is happening? Because we know if they allow our mothers and to die because of common malaria, common typhoid, we kill our parents here. No. No. All of us hands are not equal. Is it because you are wealthy and you forget about the other poor masses? Remember, you are given an appointment for you to take care of the people, and you are, I think, SA on special project to the governor. And this is your own LG, your own hospital, which we heard that the contract was given to you. Just imagine that the contract has been awarded. Where is the money? Where is the work being done? No work here. No work here. This is Theater 1. Nothing. Nothing. Everywhere is just porous. Everywhere. Everywhere is porous. Everywhere. Everywhere is porous. There is nothing to write home about. There is nothing. Josh Kelly, please. We are begging you. We, the entire Buguma people, are begging you. The entire Asaiton people are begging you. Josh Kelly, please. Here is your own LG. You are following the governors left, right, and center to commission project. To commission project and to finish the completion of the project. But yours is so bad. This one have nothing to do with federal government. It's state. And we heard that you are in charge. Josh Kelly, please. Do the needful. Our parents are dying. Our loved ones are dying for lack of medical treatment. They are all dying. Josh Kelly, please come. The fearless voice, we are not out to, leash on any politician or leash on any leader. No. We are here to speak the truth so that it will make you people to do your work. We know most of your advisors will be waving out all these things for you not to see. Because we tried to reach you, there was no access to meet you, because we could have come to your office to ask you what is wrong with the project of the Asaiton General Hospital, the Bugma General Hospital to be precise. So please, Josh Kelly, we don't have any grudges with you. We don't have any dispute with you. We heard that this General Hospital contract was given to you, that it was awarded to you, and you are the special advisor to the governor on duties in the state. I don't know your position or whatever, but I think you occupy a position that is concerning project and building of things. So you should urgently don't see it as a blackmail or something. Just see it as a work that you ought to have done. And if the money was not given to you the way the contract was given to you, that it was announced that everybody said that it's Josh Kelly, it's Josh Kelly, come on air and clear us, please. Let's know how we are standing and what we are going to do. If the government is not willing to build this hospital, I think we'll urge all the Calabari, all the Buguma big boys and big girls in the LGA, the politicians and the businessmen. I think we'll we will make contribution on ourselves to build our hospital so that our parents will not die because of lack of healthcare system. What passes it? Josh Kelly. Meme wake uria, wanke kamsa, meme kamso ya, meme kamso ya. As me brother ki, but I would go on and pray. Hospital project man, Nigeria. I'm not going to make a big video. Botebo hospital medical. Botebo and come and check, come and see yourself. Everywhere we go, suka. Hospital in Bana, Nilanga, and England, you are Ghana, so can it's still in medical. Work with medical. Everywhere can you so far. Everywhere can you so far. All in everywhere you ask, all go Oja section you tell to Botebo. Dirina and Abona the one Omoja for Mamma. One and then okay one at all the Wafi Famamuno. Or not the one at all the Wafi Famamuno. Most are in there and animal functional. How a hospital in an LGA, the general hospital of an LGA, only the mortuary will be functioning. What is the message you are trying to send? We shouldn't have treatment. We should only be dying so that they will be taking us to mortuary. You want all the entire people of Asatoro to be, you know, all be a Wafi farmer. I'm not a Keran, eh? All be a Wafi farmer. On a mena be food, on a gap on a dap on a mujo food. That one there, one a gap on a dap was smart. He began at one white began now, wacky, Potacos book that the ground won't move to the man. Every can so far. Male female word. It's not functioning. Nothing is functioning here. Nothing. Everywhere you are only mortuary. We are not functionary. Marco also accident, emergency accident, response unit member. I don't understand again. Accident and emergency clinic. So now, one a bike driver there, also have more accident in Akuma. No way. No form of treatment. And then I told me no form of treatment. Accident and emergency clinic. So, very so. Even the least one so in a year. If the government in question have given you the contract and the money is not up to, don't focus on the budget or on bogus something. Make a session work, Josh Kelly. Make a particular session to work so that people will be able to access medical care. Moko, you are entrance medical. This is the entrance of the Bugma General Hospital. Just imagine. The only thing functioning here is the mortuary. Look at it. He don't want to take care of us when we are alive. It's only when we are dead there is a place for us to be kept. Only the mortuary. Me what can I do? What me functioning anger? Only the mortuary is working. Only the mortuary is working. Nothing else, only the mortuary. Only the mortuary. And the functionary. Just imagine, does this place look like an hospital made for people? In an LG. This Bugma General Hospital. Nothing is done. We just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Okay, you are not for meter. You are not for meter. Moko, why would Moko me video me? Why be Josh Kelly, the principal, Josh Kelly, Paka Botebo, you go wanna pray. Contact me in call prayer and call prayer. And he should come out and explain to us why is the general hospital like this. Or if it was an audio announcement that he have been given the contract. Cry or Botebo you wanna pray. That one him. Or work on a day if you make a shit, man. But why be me? But the man can tell ma so that Omoja protect Amabo smart for ma. In the healthcare facilities accessible. To Amabo fear. You go to fear a jai or minus something. Before it hold up na bro when you move Port Harcourt la mela infite, that they will bring them back to the mortuary, the only functioning thing. Why must it be only mortuary that we have?